na kabambe.
Kabambe yezi.
Si hapo unakuja koji.
Fundi kuna ile ambayo ile umeshona, si ndio? Hebu leta hiyo. Nataka kuonyesha vile the stitching you're doing. Fungua. Imagine guys, look at this stitching. It's very neat, yeah? Look at that. You see, it's very neat. Yeah? Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you one of our shoe repair guy who repair shoes for us here in my village in Mazeras. So he's called Ramadan. So let me show you how he does his work, and then I'm gonna ask him 1, 2, 3 questions that I hope it will inspire someone out there. All right, so welcome to my channel. Like this video, of course, drop your comments and let me know what's up. All right, okay. Ramadan, karibu.
Asante.
All right, nataka uendelee kushona. So this is what he's doing right now. Yeah, look at that. So he's brought one of his shoe. He wants him to repair his shoe, and the shoe is here actually. That's the shoe. He wants it to be repaired. This is the shoe. Look at it, it's so spoiled. Jamani, si aje kiatu jamani. So it's going to rectify this place. All right, right now, you know, in my village right now it's rainy season, so it's raining heavily, and then of course everywhere where it's not like a maram, anything like that, so it's muddy. So that's why his shoe is very spoiled. But anyway, let's see how he's gonna repair it, and then yeah. But then Ramadan, hii kazi umekuwa umefanya miaka mingapi?
Huu ni mwaka wa 3.
Miaka mitatu. So I'm asking him how long he's been doing this job, and he's telling me he's been doing it for the last 3 years. And then changamoto gani ambayo unapata katika hii kazi?
Changamoto ni capital.
Capital.
No pesa ya kuendesha hii kazi ndio. Changamoto kubwa. Kwa sababu pesa hii so ile pesa ambayo ninatoa hapa ndio ambayo ninagawa na family, tena ndio ni capital ninatumia. Sasa inakuwa ni ngumu sana kupata vifaa ambavyo vitaweza kutosheleza katika kufanya hii kazi yangu.
So I'm asking him what kind of challenges he's experiencing. So he's telling me one of the challenges he's getting is because capital. Yeah, because he needs to buy
materials za kushonea.
Okay, so he needs to buy materials to help him to be able to do the repair work. All right, so that's what his literally his main challenge is. But then he's also telling me, you know, this business has been doing it for 2 years, and he's able to take care of himself, his family, and also take care of, to pay his bills. Yeah, all right. Katika hii kazi weza kupatia kijana mawaidha kama gani kuhusu kazi?
Kwa kusema kweli, jambo la kwanza ni upende kazi yako, alafu pia utie bidii katika kufanya hiyo kazi, maana unajua kazi ni kazi. Kwa sababu kazi ni kazi, inatakana uwe na nia ya kufanya. Ukiwa na nia ya kufanya, then inakuwa rahisi wewe kujipa nguvu, yani kujipa moyo na kuendeleza hiyo kazi vizuri.
Okay. So I'm asking him what kind of advice he can give. Say you need to be willing to do the extra work, you need to put in the effort and work hard. And of course, where there's a will, there's a way. That's what he's telling me. And then the other thing also, you need to think outside the box, create your own employment, your own job, so you don't just sit around waiting for the job to come. Yeah. All right. Nyumbani kuna yule kijana ambaye ameketi anangojea kazi nyumbani na haikuji, unaweza kumpatia mawaidha gani?
Kijana kama huyu ambaye anakaa nyumbani, asiseme hakuna kazi. Kazi zinapatikana, ziko, na ni yeye kujitolea. Ajitolee kama vile mimi nilipojitolea. Zaidi mimi tayari nimefundisha vijana wawili. Kuna vijana wamekuja, nimewafundisha vijana wawili na wako vizuri tu sasa hivi. Wao wanaweza kufanya hiyo kazi hata kama siko. Wanakaa hapa na wanafanya hiyo kazi. Lakini yule ambaye anakaa nyumbani sasa hivi akisema hana kazi, then yeye tutasema pengine ni uvivu wake. Na pengine haja kuwa na nia ya kufanya hiyo kazi.
All right. Look at this. Anyway, so I was asking him the question of what advice he can give a young guy out there who's sitting at home waiting for that job and is not getting that job. So yeah, so he's telling me right now jobs are there. It's just a matter of you to be creative, create your own job. Yeah, think outside the box, come up with your own idea, be self-employed. Because he's saying right now, you know, if you want a job, literally there are no jobs right now. I mean, that's the reality in my country. There's so many youth out there who literally want a job, but literally there are no jobs. The amount of jobs being created in the market as compared to the demand of students or graduates who are looking for jobs is not balanced. So that's the reason why there's lack of jobs. Yeah. So now he's saying that, you know, for the youth out there who are thinking of, you know, saying there are no jobs, it's just that jobs are there. It's just a matter of you thinking outside the box. So if you decide to do, you know, like he's giving an example of himself, like he's already taught like 2 guys to do this repair shoe business. And so far those guys are so well right now and they can take care of themselves and they're doing it and they have their own business as well. So he say he can train other people. So he's just saying for someone out there, you just need to be willing to put in the work. You need to be willing to think outside the box. You need to be willing, you know, to go the extra mile and create your own job. Yeah. So which is a good advice, by the way. Okay guys, by the way, capital gani mtu anataka kuanzia hii biashara?
Hii biashara ile ndogo kabisa nitakuwa kama 30,000. Yani ile ya kuanzia fully ununue marangi, ngozi nini, lakini kama hauna unaweza kuanzia tena 15, ile nusu ya hiyo
15,000. All right. Okay, so I'm asking him in terms of capital, how much can someone start with? He's telling me for those who have money or you can start with 30,000 Kenya shillings. That's like literally around $300. The reason why he's saying that is you're able to buy your own equipment. You also be able to, you know, to pay your own rent comfortably without being worried, as you give yourself time and your customer to get used to your location and your business. But it's in case you don't have enough capital, you can also start with 15,000 Kenya shillings. You buy the equipment, you buy what you need. Of course, you're able to pay rent and all the stuff. So that's the advice he's giving me. So last advice kwa kijana.
Kazi ni kazi, ajitume na awe na ari ya kufanya, yani awe na ari ya kufanya hiyo kazi, ajue anafanya hiyo kazi at least at the end of maybe some years awe next level. Kwa sababu sasa hii mimi nataka at least nifike mahali naweza kuunda viatu ambavyo ni mpya. Naweza kwenda kununua ngozi, naweza kuwapaka na charahani hapo, unaunda ngozi za viatu, unaunda viatu mpya. Ama kama ni makubadhi, unaunda kubadhi mpya. Unaweza kuna pesa ya kununua mangozi mapya, unatengeneza hata kubadhi mpya. Instead ya repair uwe unaunda sasa viatu.
Okay. All right, I'm asking for last advice. So the kind of advice he's telling me to tell the youth is you need to be willing to put in the work, you need to be willing to go the extra mile. He's saying that for the youth, you need to literally make sacrifices, decide you want to this job. You need to have the passion, the love for the job. And at the same time, he's saying that for him, his aim at the end of the day is, besides just doing shoe repair, he wants also to go the extra mile and be able to make shoes for, you know, to make new shoes and then be able to sell, which he literally he's able to do, by the way, because he has the experience. So it's just a matter, what he's lacking right now is just a matter of capital, a little bit of funds, so you're able to buy the materials in terms of the leather, and of course the sewing machine for creating the shoe, you know, that kind of thing. So that's what he's lacking. But he's literally telling the youth, you know, at the end of the day, you need to have the ambition, the passion, the love for the job, and have an aim, an angle. In a period of 2 years, maybe your end goal also is to decide to go the extra mile to the next level. That's what he's telling me. So guys, subscribe to my channel, like this video, of course drop your comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, let me know what you think. If you want me to cover anything else, just let me know, and I hope you're enjoying yourself.
Bye bye.
Guys, bye bye. He's telling me he not only makes shoes or repair shoes, he also does the following. Okay, let's hear him what he has to say.
Huwa tunatengeneza mipira pia. Mpira natengeneza. Repair mpira. Kazi yangu naweza tengeneza. Na kuna bags pia ambazo hazina zipu hivi. Naweza kutoa hii zipu tunarejesha zipu nyingine.
By the way, I have my bag, I need to bring it to you.
Kwa hivyo hiyo yote ni baadhi ya kazi ambazo natengeneza.
Okay. Alright, so he's telling me besides repairing shoes, he also does repair football, or also make football, or in case maybe you have spoiled your zip, or for your handbag, he also repairs a zip, whether it's for the handbag or maybe for clutch bag. He does that, he repairs and all this stuff. So guys, if you're in Mazeras, this is the person to come to. He knows his business, he's been doing it, and so far he's doing a good job. All right guys.